In this video, you'll learn how to build an email list using Mailchimp. You will create a sign-up form that can be embedded on your website, allowing you to collect email addresses from your audience effectively. Begin by navigating to Mailchimp's website. Once there, locate the option labeled Other Forms. This section is typically found within the audience management area. Clicking this will take you to the Forms Overview page, where you can manage various form types. Next, look for the button that says Create. This button is usually positioned prominently on the page. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, providing options for different types of forms you can create. After that, select the option labeled Sign a Form. This action will redirect you to a new page where you can choose how you want to create your sign-up form. Here you will see several options available for form creation. Then click on the option for Embedded Form. This will lead you to a setup interface specifically designed for embedded forms. You will notice a prompt to begin the setup process, which is essential for customizing your form. Once this appears, click on the button that says Begin. This action will take you to an editor where you can adjust various settings and fields for your form. It's important to wait for the page to fully load, as this ensures that all options are available for your customization. Next, navigate to the section labeled Form Fields. This area allows you add or modify the fields that will appear on your sign-up form. You should see a list of default fields already present. Now, click on the field labeled First Name. This selection enables you to edit the properties of this field, such as whether it is required for submission. Make sure to save any changes you make to ensure they are applied. Following this, click on the field labeled Last Name. Similar to the previous step, you can modify this field's settings to match your preferences. Adjustments here can help in collecting more detailed information from your subscribers. After that, proceed to click on the field labeled Address. This field can also be customized to include additional options, like whether it should be optional or mandatory for your users. Next, click on the button labeled Back. This will return you to the previous menu, where you can continue editing other aspects of your form. Then, find and click on the option labeled Settings. In this section, you can configure various settings related to your form, such as notifications and success messages that subscribers will see after signing up. Once you've made your adjustments, click on the button labeled Back, again to return to the main editing interface. This allows you to review all the changes you've made. Now, click on the option labeled Tags. This feature enables you to categorize your subscribers, making it easier to manage and segment your email list effectively. Following this, click on the button labeled Continue. This action will direct you to a confirmation page where you can review all your settings before finalizing the form. Finally, a message stating your form is ready will appear, confirming that you have successfully created your embedded sign-up form. At this point, you can copy the provided code to integrate the form into your website. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.